Welcome to my cooking class. What are we making?
Let me introduce you to what we'll be needing. First ingredient is round and black. You need 8 to make this. It's more than a pack.
Second ingredient is thick and creamy. You need 100 grams. It's pretty easy.
Third ingredient is light and fluffy. You need 70 grams to make the cream puffy.
And the fourth ingredient is just butter. You need 20 grams.
Can you guess the color?
Last but not least, it's white and sweet. You need 40 grams to make the treat. Step 1. For your Oreos, you need to open it up.
What's next, Leo?
When you see the icing, you scrape, scrape, scrape. Leave one for later, till the end of this wrap.
What do we do next?
Eric and Max put the black crackers in the Ziploc bag. Then you hold the rolling pin and mash, mash, mash. Don't forget to use it to roll, roll, roll.
What do we do next?
I wonder.
We need the fourth ingredient, and that's just butter. How do you want it?
Evan and Tyler, not smooth, but melted like water. Add the butter to the crumbs and mix, mix, mix. 5 fingers and a thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many times you need to mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix it up. Mix, 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 mix it up. Cut all the corners off of this paper. If you follow along, you can be a rapper. Put the paper in the box because this is where we start. Making this cake by putting the crumbs inside.
Put the crumbs inside.
Don't let me see the bottom, get it to hide.
How do you do it?
Jaden and Bless, all you need to do is scoop, scoop, press. Now here comes the main step of this delicious treat.
Watch carefully.
It's not ready to eat. Combine cream cheese and icing after softening it up. Add the whipped cream and sugar and mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix it up. Mix, 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 mix it up. Whip, 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 whip it up. Whip until it's puffy. Whip it up. Whip, 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 whip it up. Whip the fluffy cream. Whip it up. Sophia and Leah,
can you guess what's next?
You know the drill, just follow the rest. Is your cream in the Piper bag?
Ready to go?
When you're ready, just cut the tip and squeeze like so. Squeeze, 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 squeeze the whipped cream. Squeeze, 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 squeeze the cream cheese. Spread, 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 spread the whipped cream. Cut, cut the Oreo. Cut, watch the video. Put the Oreo. Put it like the video. This is the part where you need much patience. You need to freeze it now and handle the situation.
5 hours is long, but not that long, Zoe.
Just wait a little more until it's ready to enjoy.
Who will you share it with?
Danny and Cindy.
Will you leave me a piece?
Annie and Sally. This is a wrap about making Oreo cheesecake.
Sharing is caring.
Share whatever you make.